Okay, this pose we're going to do some gentle realigning of the sacrum and the very bottom muscles of the spine. This is a really gentle and easy stretch, Supta Padangusthasana, sort of modified. So we're going to use the doorway and put one leg right through it, just like this. Bringing the sacrum and the sits bones as close as you can to the wall. Again, I'm on my fluffy faux sheepskin. You can use a blanket, you can use a mat, you can use nothing. You can use whatever you like. From here, the first thing we're going to do is just gently come to our back. Again, seeing if you can just ever so gently press the belly button down and flatten that lumbar curve onto the floor. We're going to bring the heel down as close as we can to your sits bone on this side. And all we're going to do is just press the foot into the wall ever so gently. It's really, you can't even see that I'm doing anything because the movement is really, really subtle. But just rest here. Inhaling and exhaling. And give yourself, I'd say 5 to 8 breaths on the low side. You can stay here for as long as 20 breaths, 1 minute, 3 minutes. And then from here, you might need a strap or a belt for this. If you're really, really flexible, you won't. But most of us, we do. So from here, once we're comfortable here, we're going to go ahead and extend the leg up the wall. Again, if you need to bend your knee, if you feel tight, if you prefer to bend your knee, then that's what's perfect for you today. From here, extending this leg up the wall, our other leg that's going through the doorway is long, and we're engaging as if we're pressing the heel of that leg into a wall. So you get a nice opening through this hip. You'll feel it when you try. And then we're going to rest here for a few breaths before we take our belt. And we're going to let this leg open, just sliding down the wall. Notice I have my little blankets here. This is to rest my leg once I get it there. Some of us need the blankets and some of us don't. If you don't need the blankets, you're going to go ahead and let the leg fall all the way to the floor. But see if you can keep your hips square, and if you can keep connected to your breath as you let this opening adjust your sacrum. Again, staying as long as you're comfortable, releasing when you're done. Roll to the side and gently come on up to sitting and do the other side.